asuntosyköyhtiö Lahden Huovilankulma.
Today is the 12th of October 2022. This is Huovilankatu. One thing say, but it's not the main address. The main address was Huovilankatu one.
Yeah.
For the Texas BNC. And I hope we can get to the Texas BNC here also as soon as possible. The capacity is 4 persons, so 325 grams. It was built in late 1990, finished in 1991, turned 30, sold in 2020. The number is H66293. It will be inspected in 2024 and it deserves 2 rides. I love the interior and the smell in here.
Yeah.
Here in Lahti, Finland.
Inspekteerbaar wines maintained by Kone.
Every second floor is lit up, but this one is not on. But
yeah.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope we'll get to the Texas BNC as soon as possible.
That's